figure and in which there are infinite circles and the radius of the biggest circle is 1 centimeter, or I can say 1 unit, and we have to find the sum of the radii of all circle. So these are the circles, right? So one thing you should remember whenever we have such figure that there are inclined lines and circles or spheres are fitted in that way and they are touching the lines or the cone in case of 3D figure, and all the spheres or the circles are touching each other. So in that case, the radius, or I can say radii, all the radii are in GP, geometric progression. So they will follow the GP, one thing. And second thing is that if I want to join the centers of the circle with the intersecting point, so all the centers will be collinear. That is another important lesson. So I can say this angle would be 30 degree, right? 30 degree upside, 30 degree downside. There is no issue in that, right? So whenever I am writing the radius, so bigger radius upon smaller radius, it should be equal to 1 plus sine theta upon 2 or 1 minus sine theta upon 2, where theta is the complete angle. Here it is 60 degrees. So I have to just half it so that I can find the relation, right? So if I take the capital R is 1, then a small r, that is the next one, or I can say R1, it would be 1 plus sine 30 and 1 minus sine 30. So from here it will be, that is 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So this is going to be 3 upon 1. So R1 is actually 1/3. So next radius would be 1/3. So as I told you, these circles are in GP. So every time the radius will be 1/3 of the previous. So इसका radius हो जाएगा 1/9, इसका हो जाएगा 1/3, that is 1/27 and so on, right? So आपको एक infinite GP बनेगा, यहाँ पे उसका सम निकालना है, right? So we have to find R plus R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to R infinite. So very easy. Now this is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 and up to 1 by infinity जो भी आएगा, right? So this is infinite GP and you should know A upon 1 minus R is the formula to find the converging जो series होता है GP का. So 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. So answer of this question will be, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. So the sum of the all radius will be 3 by 2, and you can connect with the selection classes for more such videos.